Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain how to accept instant booking in Instawork. To accept instant booking on Instawork, ensure your profile is fully completed and approved. So this includes providing accurate personal information, uploading the professional photos, detail your work experience, and submitting any required certification. So once your profile meets all the requirements, you will be eligible to receive instant booking offer. So when an instant booking becomes available, you will receive a notification through the app. So once open the notification to view the shift details, including the date, time, location, and the pay rate. So if the shift fits your schedule and preference, tap on accept to confirm your booking. Remember, accepting an instant booking is a commitment to work that shift, so you only accept if you are certain that you can attend. Regular checking the app and enable push notification can help you stay informed about new opportunities, and that's it.